In this video, I'll show you how to join the Royale Discord server on mobile. From your home screen, press on this green plus icon to the left, then down the bottom, tap Join a Server. Inside the invite link box, you're simply going to type Royale with no spaces, exactly like that. Then tap Join with Invite Link. You'll see you've been invited to join the Royale official server. Press Accept Invite, and then tap Confirm at the bottom if you get that captcha message. However, you might not get it. And that's going to load you into the server. Before you can join, there will be a server onboarding, and it's going to ask you 4 questions. The first one is, which languages do you speak? The second one is, what kind of announcements would you like to be notified of? The third one is, choose your faction. And then the final one is, what division are you in? Once you answer them 4 questions, you'll have now joined the Royale server. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe.